Guys, what's up? Today I'm gonna be doing a house tour. Yeah, this is my house, and I'm gonna be doing a tour of it. It's pretty big, like a mansion. Okay, let's get right into the video. This is the inside on a quick note. This is my car. So yeah. So when you come inside here, I put all the shoes and like my footwear, and then you can go up. Like this is the staircase to go to the second floor. Yeah, this is like a 3-floor building. So when you come here, this is the second floor. You walk, you walk, you walk, you walk, and then you come here, and then yeah, this is the first balcony. And you can see the view, and then when you come here, so when you come here, there's one more balcony just connected. The connected balcony. There are a lot of plants, and when you go inside here, there's a room, but I can't go. Ow! But I can't go in there because it's locked. And yeah, let's go from here. When you come here, you this is like a normal window view, and then you come here, and then there's the corridor. From here, you can go to every room. Here's a walk here, and this is a room, and then that's a room. Everything's locked. And then this is a room, but actually this is my room. I just locked it up because I was going to make a video. That's my room, and this is my brother's room. So yeah, there's my gaming setup in there. And then after that, when we go here, there's 3 ways to get to the roof. One's from over there, and then one's from the steps upside, and then one's from here. When you go here, you come here, and then this is way upside. Wait, one of my maids are up there. There's a maid up there. Yeah, my maid's up here. Yeah, one of my maids are up. Okay, let it be. Here, this is the roof. There's a lot of brightness over here. There's the sun over there. So, and then from here you could see the view. And there are a lot of insects over here. I'm scared of insects, so don't make fun of me, please. From here you could go down. This is another way to get to the bottom, also to the top. From here, when you come, you could walk here, and then you come here. Yeah, this is my brother. Okay, you could come here, and here I put all my clothes and everything. And there, from here, I was showing you the way you could get down from here. So when you get down, you could get down, and you could take a turn, and then here's another room. This is just a normal hanging out. There's a heater. It's like almost 15 to 10 degrees centigrade over here. I'm only wearing a sweater right now, and yeah, so yeah, this is a exit, and here's my cycle. I have 2 cycles. Right now I'm in my other home. This is a cycle, my second cycle. My first cycle is somewhere else. So this is the guest room. I kept the cycle here because it's like Corona period. There isn't like a lot of things that you can there are no guests. Yeah, and this is some decor. Yeah, and that's it. There's some art, and you could go out there. People are there, so yeah. And that's it for the tour. So this is subscribe. Wait, there's something else. When you go here, you can come back. This is the kitchen, nothing special. And there's one more room over here. That's the temple room. I shouldn't go there because there's someone praying there. So yeah, this is the second kitchen. And when you come here, there's the TV room. There's like this. Take a quick peek, and here's the TV room. My brother's here. Hello. What is he playing? He's playing Fall Guys. He's a mobile player.
Human Fall Flat.
Yeah, for Human Fall Flat. And then there's the TV. I have one more TV. This TV is kind of one more. My other TV is broken. Here's one more TV. One more TV is upside. Yeah, and that's kind of it. You could see me in the mirror if you want. This is the dressing room, not for me. I don't dress that much. My mother and those people do, but not me. And from here you can see the TV and everything. And there's just a lot of storage. The bed, and there are a lot of bed upside. And yeah, that's pretty much it. My brother will give you the outro. So guys, bye. So guys, bye. It was a great vlog. Video posting of human fall flats. The new video is gonna post in Yellowstone Gamers. Be sure to check out my brother's channel here for more videos like this. Hit the like button. If this gets to 20 likes, new video coming. Guys, thanks for 100 subscribers. I love it. Like, without you it wasn't possible. So yeah, comment down below what should I make for the 100 subscribers special. Yeah, that's it. Let's go.